Good morning guys. It's August 4 of 2017. Yesterday was my birthday and today is an ordinary day na naman. We just woke up. Aga mi nag-woke up kanina around mga 8 a.m. in the morning, but the thing is, it was raining very hard and now it's already 10 in the morning and our schedule for today is to motorcycle or to motorbike around El Nido. So I'll be on my way to grab some motorbike. Actually, I am not very good at riding that motorcycle. 400 ang rental for 24 hours. Okay, the rain has stopped. So just to sum up our stay here at El Nido, island hopping, and after island hopping is moist island hopping and kahapon, and today we'll be motorbiking around El Nido. So probably we're going to visit Nacpan, other beaches.
A few moments later.
Currently, masakay ko because we already rented a motorcycle. As you can see, our service is waiting for us and we are ready to go on an adventure. First time na ko ni magmotor karon. So, medyo excited po ko. Hinihinay ng taog-dagan. And we are on our way to first Nacpan. Hello guys, good noon. Finally we arrived here at Nacpan Beach. Grabe ang amakage. And what happened to us was we had an accident kasi napangos ko kasi nakadat gamay lang mahinoon kay duol gyud sa disgrasya, especially nagmotor lang mi. And nagmotor lang mi and tawagan ni. And first time po ako nag-drive og motorcycle kaya nakare. But as I noticed din diri sa Nacpan, today medyo hanging habagat man ta, dagko kayang waves, as in super. Yo lang, dito lang to. Ito lang. And the thing is, the waves are very strong as of now. Compared to Mati, this one is actually stronger. So medyo it's not safe to bath on the beach, ligo pa sa beach if madto ka palalong sa deeper area. As of now, medyo even the foreigners yun. Dala sila sa waves, oh my god. Sila kautunan sa lang. Anyway, we are moving on to our next destination, which is I don't know where, Bohol, and probably look for a place to have our lunch. So guys, I don't know if madungog ko ninyo, please madungog ako ninyo. Hi Totz, go. You have to do this kay dili kay pwedeng magdala motor, so don't have to walk. So guys, finally we survived the 3 kilometers ride at Nacpan, and now currently
A few moments later.
Hello guys, good evening. Si Tot. Hi Tot, good evening. Hi guys, we overslept. Actually, we nag-drop by Midri last kanina after na mo sa Nacpan. It's because we wanted to take our lunch here. We bought some lechon manok, and then lechon manok, we bought some rice para ipara sa lechon manok. But suddenly, after the lunch, medyo kapoy gid me. First time ako nag-drive with motorcycle. It was fun. And it was, that's 22 kilometers from here, Nacpan, and another 3 kilometers of rock road going inside Nacpan. And then another 3 kilometers outside, going outside, and another 22 kilometers going back here sa town. So, it was really a great adventure. Natumba mi ganina. Napahak. Okay. It's because of the muddy road and we cannot control the weather. So, suddenly pag abot na mo sa Nacpan, so far, the beach view was beautiful. So beautiful. But the thing is, it's raining. We couldn't see anything, but we were not able to enjoy that much. But it was amazing. One of the most beautiful beach in the world. So probably if I have a drone, which is my dream to have a drone, I would fly it there to see what Nacpan could offer. But the thing is, wala akong drone. So guys, right now, since we overslept, I think we will not be able to go outside na. It's because it's very raining hard. Not hard, it's quite lighter than earlier. And we want to go to the town, but the thing is, it's raining. And we even nagmotor mi kaganina nga gitugurog na mi sa katugunan because of the weather. Anyway, it was fun, and that's all for now, guys. If you have time, please subscribe on our channel, follow us on Twitter, follow us on Instagram, and like us on Facebook. And if you have time again, please subscribe on our YouTube channel again.